You made the right choice clicking on this video. I'm about to bless your eyes with this 2022 Audi RS6 finished in Java Green. And this one has a little bit of history to it, as it was ordered brand new by Australian race car driver and two-time Bathurst 12-hour winner Kenny Habul. And he spec'd this thing quite nicely. Let's take a look. This car just went live on Bring a Trailer. If you want to check it out, I'll have the auction link to it in the description, but let's get into it. Habul checked nearly every box he could when speccing this thing because it is absolutely loaded, starting with the Audi exclusive paint job finished in Java Green metallic, and then take that color and match it with the brown leather interior with Iguana Green contrast stitching. I don't know, I just think this thing's perfect. I was blown away when I opened the listing. I was scrolling through and I stopped and I was like, that's it right there. That's the video. I don't need to go any further. It's spec'd with the Black Optic package, so the grills, badges, mirrors, roof rails, and window surrounds are finished in gloss black, which lets that green absolutely shimmer. This RS6 rides on 22-inch Audi Sport V-spoke wheels finished in gloss black and wrapped in Pirelli P0s. Behind them sit massive cross-drilled rotors and RS-branded calipers, and that whole setup is tied together with Audi's RS-tuned adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering. The wheels do, however, show some curb rash, and two tires were replaced in 2023, but mechanically the car has been kept fresh, including an updated engine and PCM programming, as well as a new alternator under a recall campaign. Looking here on the inside, the cabin goes full luxury with a racing edge. The brown leather RS Sport seats are heated, ventilated, power adjustable, and marked with RS logos. The executive package adds heated rear seats, soft closed doors, and extended leather across the dash and console. Carbon twill trim runs throughout, and the tech package includes Audi's MMI Touch with Navigation Plus, a Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, the Audi phone box wireless charger, a 4-zone climate control, and in front of the driver is the Virtual Cockpit Plus digital cluster, which is a 12.3-inch display that can show everything from boost pressure to lap times to G-forces. That's pretty technologically advanced. Under the hood is Audi's twin turbocharged 4-liter V8 paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system and cylinder deactivation. This thing produces 591 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, and power goes through an 8-speed Tiptronic automatic and, of course, quattro all-wheel drive with sport rear differential. This example now has 6,000 miles and comes with service records, its window sticker, a clean Carfax, and a clean North Carolina title and Habul's name. The original sticker price was just shy of $140,000. And when you look at the spec, the owner history, the exclusivity, everything about this car, that number makes sense. I just figured I'd share this RS6 because it stopped me dead in my tracks from what I was doing. I was literally eating dinner and I was like, wow, look at that car. And now I hope you're like, wow, look at that car. And that's all I got.